First, the top headlines. Assam Rifles and a Kuki militants encounter near ELITETV project. One constable of Assam Rifles got bullet injury. Curfew relaxed in Imphal for few hours. And voting underway in Karnataka to elect new legislators from 224 seats. Hello, welcome to ELITETV's Prime Time English News Bulletin. I'm your host, Deemita. Before giving you the news, we requested to follow the SOP given by the government. Wear face masks on in public, wash hands regularly and maintain a minimum of 6 feet between one person and another. ELITETV also requested to get vaccinated in time to protect ourselves from this virus and play your part in the fight against COVID-19. Now the news in detail. Security advisor to Chief Minister Kuldip Singh has said that one constable of Assam Rifles has got bullet injury during an encounter with Kuki militants near ELITETV project in Imphal East. He said this during a press meet held at CM Secretariat today as part of routine press briefing of present situation in Manipur. He further said that the incident took place in the morning. The constable got bullet injury in the stomach. However, he did not mention the details of the incident in the briefing. On the other hand, the advisor further said normalcy has returned in the state and evacuations of stranded people will be completed in the next few days. Arms and ammunition looted in the violence were recovering so fast that 284 arms have been recovered along with 6,700 ammunition till today. Moreover, 288 cases have been registered against the wrongdoers. He also said that 66 people have been died in Manipur this month. However, it is confirmed that 41 were dead during the violence.
Supposed to come slightly later, but that is correct. One bullet injury happened to one constable of Assam Rifle in the stomach. He has been evacuated from there by helicopter and is being treated. In what circumstances that happened, that detail is awaited.
Sir, you have mentioned that inspection has been started in Sukem. So can you please update some information in this regard?
Actually, inspection is yet not complete. Our teams are going to different camps, and wherever they have gone, they have found the cadres, though not all, but certain percentage of cadre are there, and locks are intact. Now, locks of the arms and ammunition which has been locked has been intact. Now, we have also asked them to open the locks and count the weapons which are kept there. So, for that it's taking slightly longer than required. As and when it is done, we will inform you.
What is the exact number of deceased persons?
What is the exact number of deceased
Casualties.
Total casualty reported during the period is static, which was yesterday 66. But out of that, you please write it carefully, 41 are due to violence. Others are due to other reasons. All 66 are not due to violence.
So do you have record report of this 51 violence, like the places?
What kind of breakup? Violence means it happened because of the incidents which took place on 3rd and 4th. Violence means that.
And when will be the dead body be handed to their respective families?
Once we complete the evacuation or free movement kind of a program, after that we will take that into account, and then dead bodies will be sent.
So how many people are still yet to evacuate, sir?
Very few, maybe a few thousand, maybe 5,000 or 6,000 in different camps. The pressure in the camps is released quite large.
As the information that we had got from the national highways, the drivers stranded there, Some
The convoy is coming. I just told you, convoy is coming. There is no problem now.
in earlier period, 2-3 days back, some of the vehicles which have been loaded with essential commodities have been looted by some miscreants in
We have no
Kapupi
such.
district.
We have no such report of looting of essential commodity. There is no such report. Though rumors were there, yes, but there is no such report of looting of essential commodities. As you know, situation in Manipur is improving fast, and normal life has been restored. There has been relaxation in curfew, more than 4 hours at different places, and in valley districts approximately 6 hours relaxation was given from 0500 hours to 1100 hours. Forces have performed their duties well, like flag marches, area domination, searching of miscreants, and tried their best to restore all kinds of normalcy. In that, even helicopters as well as drones have been used to watch the situation over the city, as well as in far-flung areas, in foothills and all, so that any kind of congregation of nefarious elements can be looked into and appropriate action can be taken into. Now, recovery of arms and ammunition has increased substantially. It has now become 284 arms has been recovered from the looted arms, and approximately 6,700 ammunition has also been recovered. The free movement of stranded people is going on smoothly, and a large number of stranded persons have been escorted from Imphal to Churachandpur and nearby areas and nearby districts, and vice versa. Presently, after the escorting of the free movement today, there will be very less number of people in the camps, and that will also be done within coming few days. A total number of 288 cases are registered. We have also started the exercise of inspection of Sioux camps, and that is going on with the help of Assam Rifle and local police. In this way, situation has returned to normal to a quite extent. Even convoy which was stranded at Mao Gate.
After the law and order situation improved in Imphal West and East districts, the government of Manipur has partially relaxed the curfew from 5 a.m. to 11 a.m. on Wednesday to allow people to buy essential items. The decision was taken after the law and order situation improved in the district. People turned up in large number in markets and the shops to buy essential items during the hours curfew was relaxed. Long queue of people was seen in many petrol pumps. Voting underway in Karnataka to elect new legislators from 224 states. Former Chief Minister of Karnataka Siddharamaiah, H.D. Kumaraswamy are in the fray. Meanwhile, BJP, Janata Dal, Secular and Congress Party are also filing their candidate in the fray and hoping for thumping victory. Information and Public Relations Minister Dr. Ranjan has said that at present there are only 4,000 displaced people taking shelter in different relief camps. In an exclusive telephonic conversations with the minister, Dr. Ranjan said relief materials are being provided to affected people. All the stranded people will be completely evacuated within the next few days, minister assured. Here is the exclusive telephonic conversations with ELITETV editor Jit Ningomba and Minister Dr. Shapam Ranjan.
CSO sing duga maru eba person sing mayamji atagi security personnels ka that is central as well as state ka amoy adom interact tawduna santi puratna bagi damakta adumaina chathari duga surveillance je kenoda Manipur ki jaga kuni makta surveillance yam akan bamong da chathari duga apagi yamna keno to amna apagi relief camps la riba myo jingsi masing yam handare 4,000. The relief camps lady basing say akoi yamna regularly kano toraga medical checkup tauba moi psychological counseling tauba duga moi sana thakna ba ising kai mayam do loi ne yengna ba akoi dom sigidam ta government side ki kano tawi duga ngasi gi oina akoi gi jagam de district am da akoi jagam de approximately 6,000 go putoe and the number of people evacuated masing hengale so in the midst of this akoi mapalom da satpa satra jing isin amaga jamapan ga kuntham le music hai tar many students duga akoi gi weapons akoi recover to so hengale hosi approximately 247 arms kumba keno tawre duga ammunition so dum deposit to leptri and prasad akoi appeal tawjaning badi akoi yaringe honorable chief minister nahan haibi giba ayam keno tawgiba sige weapons to recover keno surrender tawbina ba appeal ko keno tawjari duga akoi gi the pure relaxation is securing makta 4 to 5 hours loina tawre situations monitor tawraga akoi as per the needs and keno tawdum henkana ba keno tawre
so far hajibogda khoi nganang 20 evacuate tawre na kuldip na haib jodi makha tarak the 15 si ngasi kamaina kya kamai to na habi biabra
asi se approximately 6,000 ko evacuate tawre
kada de gi dum tawba more adagi
all more jaga ko dikhuring mangda adumaina mayam kunsan laga pal de gi sampo leidana loina so sampo de pal de more de gi loina kunsan laga approximately 6,000 gumba akoi kano tawre
the most probably akoi normally is almost
yes normally is the akoi keno tawrgani from the honorable minister ohumzo is the pura yingjalaga akoi honorable minister Sri Khemchan ne honorable minister K Govindas ne honorable minister Wongpau ne moi ahum ki supervision makhada evacuation je to fazana sathari
okay thank you so much.
Now let's take a short break. Stay tuned for more updates.
Babina Diagnostics Manipur da ihan hanba oina ingsok lising amaga chamapal marifuhumdoi da linkhatki masina awang nongpok Bharat da yamna pak chawna miyoi bagi ana layeng da darkar lakpa makhal kaya gi changyeng sing pangthoi mayam dugi marakta amatang pallabada radiological investigation su mai pak na pangthokli wana hona jaba miyoi bagi sebani khana angamba thakta laibak thiraba ana ayek nanglaba kayagi mating pangjaba si sakhang biduna awang nongpokta ihan hanba oina NABL gi accreditation pibirakhi miyam gi pothafam ngainafam testofam report lawfam gi awaba du kokhanduna changfam hangfam pothafam gari parking cafeteria yauna marang kaina leizaraba unit ama oina miyam gi seba tawjari unit asida thamjariba matamgi darkar oirakpa equipment singdi 1.5 Tesla MRI 128 slice CT scanner mammography DEXA scanner digital x-ray loinana hematology clinical chemistry amadi clinical pathology immunology microbiology molecular biology amasung immunohistochemistry studies ki masing yamlaba automated analyzers
Notification. In continuation of this office notification of event number dated 5/5/2023, it is hereby notified for information of all concerned that meeting of the board's officials, head examiners, additional head examiners, assistant head examiners and examiners government and private school will be held at the office of the Board of Secondary Education Manipur, top floor, for the subjects given against dates and time. 11/5/2023 Thursday morning 8:30 am English match, 12/5/2023 Friday morning 8:30 am Science Social Science, 13/5/2023 Saturday morning 8:30 am Home Science MIN optional subjects. The updated list of subject-wise examiners, government schools and private schools can be seen on the notice board of the BOSEM's office. ND. Issuance of curfew pass for all concerned related to the evaluation work has been initiated to the government of Manipur by this office letter number EX36/73 Vol 4/2023 dated 8 May 2023. SD Dr. S. Magijau Singh, Secretary, Board of Secondary Education Manipur.
Welcome back again. You're watching ELITETV's Primetime English News Bulletin. As a part of extending help in one another, President of Indigenous People Forum, Asang Kasar, today handed over a large quantity of banana tree to the father of PhD Minister El Susindro at Kurai. Speaking to media persons, Asang Kasar said initiative has been taken up with the objective to leave all communities in the state with love and affections. Tangkhul community is peace lover community. The necessary help will be extended to the people to bring about peace and tranquility in the state, he added.
Purakpagi Sakina Takchabadi Ekoi Chingmi Tangmi Duga Ichino Naga Maite yet indigenous people singse Amatani Amna Nungsichana Koi Matampumba da Amagama Matempanandana Lemina Gatabani Haibagi Pandamda Equina Krangam Jabase Purak Jaraga Ujikuji Wana Ladiba Tampakta Relief King Hang Ladiba Mayambu Kitangwesu Mase Mateng Pambo Wakani Haibagi Equina Mase Sinja Lanjabani Aduna Indigenous People Forum Manipur gi Maikedi Mayambu appeal Taujabadi Akoi Amatama Amagama Nungsichana na Laiminasi Aduga Amuka Hana Gumna Akoigi situation normal situation the Lagningai Mayam Nasu Lepkalaga Tabatomina si Haibase Indigenous People Forum Manipur na Masi Akoi appeal Taujabani Loina Ngasigi Sumaina Amagama Matempa Nabasina Manipurda Akoi Chingmi Tami Marakta Yamna Nungsina Bagi Karigumba Ama Aduga Marido Muk Purapo Resnu, Akoi Makata Nasu, Akoi Nangamjaba, Akoi Purakja Kigini.
A committee has been formed in connections with the present situation of Manipur. Speaking to media persons at Hata in Nephalis yesterday, convener of the committee Sajad Huyamayum said the present situation in Manipur has been reported in a biased manner in national and international media. This is very unfortunate since such unfortunate incident, killing and burning houses during the unexpected situation should not be happened in near future. He drew the attention of all civil society organization, clubs and Amara Paibis to go hand in hand to bring about normalcy in the state.
Aikoigi lamdamasigi similonda kaida maning halakadaba amadi misi mina kaya tholakanda mara lejadaba thawai kaya ama phikamnaki base mase aikoigi committee gi magaidigi amadi ai isagi site gi Tamoi Sogna Nuaitaba Dusu, Pausari Loinana, Haidiba, Kanup Anesigi, Marakta Tokraba, Toning the Todoxing as the victim Moiraba, Lanjanaraga Ladiba Mayamase, Masiki Awabasu, Committee on Peaceful Coexistence Manipurgi, Makai de Gishu, a quay Nuaitaba, the Quisaruk Yazari, Loinana Masigi, Dakataba, Karigum Relipki, Matanga, a quay committee, Sinam, Angam Batakta, Manipur Miamga Loinarakanda, Haiba, Relief Material Nachingba, Ritongan Toamba, Quiki, Uziki, Ana, Eke Yaudana, Magai Kudimuti Yosimangam, Dana, Gormana, Yosimangam Daba, Toan Toan Area Kase, Masi CPCM, Gimakadegi, Yosilakanda, Moi Mayam said Relief Hanganabagi, Madugum Lamdu, Masuena, Yasagi, Pandam Dom, so a leisure Hitare. Mayamasi, a quickie Kanup Anigi, Unkanabasa, State Kimakade, so a quena, Piltozaning Basi. Akoigi Toan Toanba, Lamdamasiki stakeholders in Koviraganda. Karamba mechanism Sinaraganda, Karamba Liglam the Salaganda, Koi Haidiba, Kangu Onigi, Unkanadibase, solution Purak Labakanda, Tangu Letaba, Manipur, Tangu Letaba, State Ama, Wahilakadagi Habase, State Gomena, Atubumatam the Masigi, Philiptoma Lovirakanda, stakeholders in Tanabagi Tangai Padabadu, Lady Hawapamsi, Tamzaraganda, Akoigi stakeholders in Kobi Habase, Siamasu Gorman Gimakeda.
On the other hand, spokesperson of the committee, Abdullah Fundramayum, said government needs to take swift actions to bring an amicable solutions and normalcy in the state. Moreover, anybody needs help from the committee, he appealed free-field call-up at mobile number 6033818937, 9366172127, 70055134090 and 70056136693.
Kharta oirabasu santainaba yanaba ngasi awana taraba miyamda aikoina ngamjaba adumlaba matingsing kharta orsu tawba ngamnanaba adumlaba pandamda hairiba committee ase semjabane masigi committee ase aigi inak election biriba sajat buya mayumna convener oiraga mioi nifuma thoina saba adumlaba executive committee ama semjare loina executive committee ama semjare loina na mi tara ina saba advisory committee ama semjara ganda aikoi khudaktagi aikoi mangda sangsinanaba ngasi wai iba situation lasida aikoi na miyang mi mateng pangnanaba aduga hojik muknaraga ngasi amaga sangnadana ngasi huren kari kamba khunda kari thogadagi karamba khunda mai tharagadagi haibagi akiba leiriba sai asida aikoi gi miyamda aikoi gi miyam wakhan taminanaba amso aikoi hanagi tangdu leitaba punsi ado madu hanjalaknabagi damakta aikoi na khudaktagi haunana nabagi damakta aikoi keno sing semdok jabsu loijare.
For ELITETV News Channel, contact to the email address info@elitetv.in or 9402890982 and subscribe to ELITETV YouTube channel or follow on Facebook page, Instagram and Twitter for more information about the channel. And let's take a look at the headlines once again. Assam Rifles and a Kuki militants encounter near ELITETV project. One constable of Assam Rifles got bullet injury. Curfew relaxed in Imphal for few hours. And voting underway in Karnataka to elect new legislators from 224 seats. And that's a wrap for today. For more updates, keep watching ELITETV English News. Thank you and have a great evening.